Hey guys, what's going on? So today I want to show you, this is a little bit of organic matter from a tree sap. So we're going to get rid of this and we're going to do a chemical decontamination on it. So I've got some stoner car care, and this is basically like it's basically like an alcoholic solvent. So the one thing you want to keep in mind is that when you use stuff like this, that it evaporates very quickly. So you kind of want to spray just a little bit on there and then wipe it off. This is difficult to do with one hand. Spray a little bit on there. Wipe it off. Spray some on there. You basically just want to keep going back and forth. Until this kind of penetrates and breaks down. You don't want to let this sit on the clear coat too long because it actually can soften the clear coat. Oh, got the towel right in front of the camera, sorry guys. Alright. So, now that we've got it cleaned, right, so the organic matter's not on there anymore. See that kind of distortion? Make sure this camera's picking up. It's right there. See, I want to kind of move the camera up and down to change the lighting a little bit. Okay, so organic matter can distort clear coat. It can etch through it. So that is paint damage caused by not protecting the paint. And there's several other little situations. The paint looks a lot better, obviously, but you can still see, like there's one right there. All right, see if I can get this on camera. There it is right there. All right, the moral of the story is wax is not just great for making your paint look shiny, right? But waxes and coatings specifically designed to protect paint will delay uric acid from organic matter and bird poo from eating through your clear coat and damaging it. So it is important, it's imperative, if you are looking to keep the appearance of your vehicle, to add sacrificial layers of protection on your vehicle in a certain regimen. And this will prevent things like this. Now, if there's bird poo or organic matter on top of your waxes or coatings, will it protect against that permanently? No. Eventually, that organic matter or that uric acid, that bird poo, will eat through your coating, your wax, and will damage your paint. But it gives you a way bigger window to get your vehicle home and take care of it when you need to take care of it. So, again, moral of the story, with the right protection, that damage would not occur. This is kind of crazy, so I wanted to put this on video. So I'm clay barring the vehicle, right? You see that green? That has been the entire vehicle. It's kind of a trip, so I wanted to put this on camera. So as you can see, I'm using a clay bar lubricant, right? Which is kind of a blue. I don't know if this camera's picking it up. Kind of a bluish kind of hue, kind of a color. Except when I come in here to clay bar, and I'm removing all these embedded contaminants. So this is the side, obviously. So I'll show you. So this is pretty white, right? You can see the color. So pretty white. I'll even go over here. So it's a completely different section. Look at that. How absurd is that? That's so crazy. I've claybarred a lot of cars, but that is by far the worst I've ever seen. That's so nuts. Anyways, just want to put that on camera. I just think that's crazy. Look at that. You can't even tell. I mean, the paint definitely looks brighter over here and reflective, because this is kind of it's a little dull. It definitely doesn't look green. So this has been done, this hasn't. You can tell, I mean, this hasn't been done either this side. So you saw how you can tell it's kind of dull. Right. You come over here. It's much different. Right. It's definitely helping out. I just think that's so crazy how much contaminants are embedded in this. Jerk.